This phantom wallet right here has $5.3 million all from deving meme coins on repeat. Not by trading, not by guessing, just by doing consistent launches. If you want in, keep watching, I'll show you exactly how to do it right now. When I started trading meme coins, I kept buying into coins that look like this chart right here. They kept getting rug pulled every single fucking time, and I got completely dumped on. And that's exactly when it hit me. The people making real money were not traders, because traders, they can lose their money at any given time on every single coin. But the real people making money were actually the devs, because these are the people who are behind every single meme coin launch. You are the creator, not the exit liquidity. And right now, with Bitcoin flying and Solana heating up, it's the best time to start deving because there's a shit ton of volume in every single market and every single DEX. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to dev your very first meme coin without gatekeeping and potentially make some bread. Now this video is for educational purposes only, nothing here is financial advice. Always do your own research before making moves. Cap! Now most people instantly head to Pump.Fun to dev meme coins because they think that because they just came out with a new live streaming feature that you can make some money. But that's completely wrong. Pump.Fun might look simple and really lucrative, but it's overcrowded, which means if you do not have an audience, you will not make money. Hundreds of coins go live every few minutes and almost none of them survive. You don't even control your own coin, and also your coin has to reach a $90,000 market cap for it to migrate on the Raydium DEX, which means it's not even worth it to fucking dev coins on Pump.Fun, and that's exactly why I switched completely to create tokens.io, because on this platform it's completely different. All your coins go straight to Raydium, it's immediately migrated and graduated instantly. People can trade your coin when it's live immediately. That means you control the liquidity, you get more visibility, and there's more profits to be made. I would highly recommend to dev coins on this platform. That's exactly why everyone is coming here. Now here's how it works on create tokens.io. Now there's two different methods to create a coin and launch it. Now the first one is to create from scratch. So go on X, right, and pick your idea for your meme coin. It could be literally anything that's funny. Nah, that's bad. Just anything, right? Like Bitcoin is reaching all-time highs. That's good. iPhone 17, that's not bad, right? A while ago, now just anything, right? You can go on TikTok. Even this, when you finally catch the teens who keep shipping your cars for cash, that could be good. Now, something right now going viral is actually Jake Paul and his AI videos of being gay. That could be good. I have a friend who printed thousands of dollars from doing that. Now, anyways, once you have a good narrative, come back to create tokens.io, put a name, add a symbol, just put a quick meme coin logo by screenshotting anything, and just like that, you are done for your custom creation after a couple more steps. But the second method though, that's the copy trending coins tab, and it's the preferred method because it's the one that makes the most money statistically. Now all these coins here are already blowing up on Pump.Fun. All you have to do is just copy one and it will launch directly to Raydium, and since the traffic's already in these coins, you will get instant buyers and way more profits from the start. I'm not gonna lie, bro, copying coins might be the method right now, you will see. But anyways, let's make a coin right now, let's make it real. I'm going to dev a coin right now so you can see how quick the process actually is. So first of all, make sure your Phantom White is connected, then click on the blue button right here which will refresh everything, and now I'm going to copy the Gizmo coin. It's King of the Hill, that's really good. It has a last buy under 10 seconds, so people are buying in the coin right now while I'm talking, and yeah, now I'm going to copy it. So click on create coin. Ignore the warning, do proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be created in a couple seconds. You just gotta be patient, and then boom, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is basically what opens your market. By adding liquidity here, you make your coin live and tradable right away through Raydium. This is what Pump.Fun doesn't give you guys the option to do. The first step is for the amount token A. That's basically the pool, right? So just click the 90% button to give you 10% of the supply. For the amount token B, this is your starter buy. Think of it as planting the seed for your chart. You are not losing anything here. It's just locked in temporarily into the pool. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and when you pull out the liquidity later, that SOL returns back inside your wallet. I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL because it's right above the minimum, just to be safe. Click on create pool. After that, click on confirm. When that's done, click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the Gizmo coin is on live. Our profits are right here. And if you click on the refresh button for a second fucking time, now we're up $200 because it's obvious people are buying in, the trend is popping. Click on view on Photon to see the official chart. You can also go on Axum if you want, but yeah. And the chart is live. Let me go on full screen real quick. Let's see what happens. The chart might look goofy, but oh my god! What the fuck? Okay, should I make some money and dump it? Actually, no. The coin has to. What? What the fuck? Okay, now it's time to dump the coin and make some money. Let's fucking go! Oh my god, it's pumping so much. This is the power of the Raydium Dex, bro. Oh my god. Now, by the way, bro, do not be emotional like me. Just let the coin run because more and more people are going to start seeing the coin on the migrate section, and more people are going to start buying in, okay? People think that it's a good narrative and they're gonna buy in. Anyways, I'm gonna be right back when it's time to cash out money. Okay guys, I am back. The coin has fucking exploded. We're at a 2.4k market cap. Now it's time to make some money. So come back to createtokens.io real quick, and then click on the refresh button to see how much we're at. And boom, we're up $1.8 thousand with a, let me check, $3,000 market cap, and it's still going up. We're still getting fucking a shit ton of buys. Anyways, I gotta go sleep, so click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money out of the coin real quick. And as you guys can see, I'm gonna receive this amount of money. Click on confirm. And bang! That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make money on Axum, on Photon, on createtokens.io. If I open the Phantom White to see exactly how much I made, because some of you guys don't believe me, boom, $1.8 thousand in my wallet, and it's legit. There's no strings attached. I do not sell a course. Drop a sub, and yeah, bro, let's get it.